Handsomely styled and surprisingly fun to drive, the 2023 Mazda CX-30 is the small SUV to buy if you've got taste intact. It has nearly all the same moves as the excellent Mazda 3 hatchback with slightly more practicality. It wears Mazda's latest design language quite well and also sports a cabin that's lined with class-above materials, so you can pretend you spent more money than you really did. Up-level models could even be said to compete with rivals such as the Audi Q3 and the BMW X1, even if their prices align more with similarly equipped versions of the Hyundai Kona and the Volkswagen Taos. While it has a higher ride height than the Mazda 3, the CX-30 is certainly no off-roader. And its base engine delivers only mediocre performance. Upgrade to the optional turbocharged engine, however, and the CX-30 becomes the driver's choice it was engineered to be. The CX-30 sees only one change this year, but it's a boost in horsepower and fuel efficiency on models with the base 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. The changes are mild, however, as that engine's horsepower rating climbs to 191 from 186, and fuel economy estimates go from 24 miles per gallon city, 31 miles per gallon highway, and 26 miles per gallon combined to 26 city, 33 miles per gallon highway, and 29 miles per gallon combined. While that optional 250 horsepower turbocharged engine is alluring, it unfortunately only comes on the two most expensive trims. We think most people will find the standard offering fine. So we'd recommend that those buyers stick with the Select trim. The Select includes blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert, a leather-wrapped steering wheel and shift knob, and keyless entry. All non-turbo trim levels come with the same 191 horsepower 2.5-liter engine, and all-wheel drive is standard across the lineup. If you're a driving enthusiast and have the money to spend, the Turbo Premium may be worth the uptick in price to unlock those extra ponies. Engine, transmission, and performance. The CX-30 standard engine is a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with 191 horsepower. This engine is paired with a 6-speed automatic which chooses gears wisely based on driving conditions. A turbocharged 2.5-liter engine is optional and provides 250 horsepower. If you're a fan of the Mazda 3 hatchback, which we are, you'll find the CX-30 just as nimble, athletic, and fun to drive. Its crisp steering and fluid body movements make it a pleasure to pilot on a twisty road and provide a sense of stability when cruising. At our test track, the CX-30 dawdled to 60 miles per hour in 8.1 seconds, slower than rivals such as the turbocharged Kona but much quicker than other non-turbocharged SUVs such as the Nissan Rogue Sport and the Subaru Crosstrek. A CX-30 with the optional turbocharged engine delivered substantially quicker acceleration times and managed a 5.8 seconds 0 to 60 mph time. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The CX-30 receives fuel economy estimates of 26 city, 33 miles per gallon highway, and 29 miles per gallon combined for non-turbo models and 22 miles per gallon city, 30 miles per gallon highway, and 25 miles per gallon combined with the turbocharged engine. On our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy test route, our CX-30 premium test vehicle managed to exactly match its EPA rating of 31 miles per gallon. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The 2023 CX-30 has a handsome, well-crafted interior. It's shared with that of the Mazda 3, which we love. An infotainment display sprouts from the center of the dashboard and is controlled by a rotary knob on the center console. There is a row of climate control buttons dividing the upper and lower dash panels. Buyers can choose between an 8 or 12 speaker audio system and can upgrade to available heated front seats. Going with the top-spec premium trim adds leather upholstery, a power-operated rear liftgate, and other luxury items that put the CX-30 in contention with higher-end brands offerings such as the Lexus UX and the Mini Countryman. As far as cargo carrying capability goes, the CX-30 isn't the most capacious SUV you can buy, but we did fit 6 carry-on suitcases behind the rear seats and 16 in total with the rear seats folded. Infotainment and connectivity. The CX-30 comes with a standard 8.8-inch screen and Mazda Connected Services, which allows owners to lock and unlock, remote start, and monitor their vehicle through the My Mazda app. The CX-30 also is equipped with standard Bluetooth, 2 front USB inputs, and Wi-Fi hotspot capability. Available features include Apple CarPlay, Android Auto integration, and Sirius XM satellite radio. Stay tuned to Auto RBX for all the latest, and let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.